Here I am being evacuated with all the firemen. Oh, I got the street. Are we the only ones leaving? I'm getting flooded. Basement, the creek's coming right in. Louise, I'm gonna put you on the news. Firefighter saves lives. Water rescue. I see it. This concrete, yeah. Oh my, this is something.
Travis, is this the fence?
Yep, that's the fence.
So I gotta climb through this fence, right?
Over.
Over? I guess I better put my camera down.
Oh, yeah.
Sure, this is gonna be something.
Is it?
See, look, Dweez is gonna be on the news.
Watch
Oh!
yourself. Watch.
I got news for you, Mom. Mom ain't doing that.
You're about to get a hysterectomy.